On the fourth day of Thriftmas, Refashionista Sheri gave to me 4 relaxing gifts for myself.
The gift of time. Set aside a guilt-free hour to do something you absolutely love, whether it's reading, crafting, watching your favorite show, or simply doing nothing at all. The gift of kindness. Let go of any self-imposed pressure to be perfect. Remember, perfection is the enemy of good enough. Remind yourself that you're doing your best and that is enough. And also celebrate your small wins every single day. You are worth it. The gift of rest. Take a well-deserved break, whether it's a quiet nap alone, a long hot bath or shower, or a cozy evening in with no obligations. The gift of solitude, and my favorite. Indulge in your favorite treat, whether it's a cup of tea, an entire chocolate cake, or hunting alone through your fave thrift shop, and savor it in peaceful, uninterrupted you time.
Stay tuned for more rockin' Refashionista Thriftmas goodies coming right at you tomorrow.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.